pressure is 35 psi. If you know bars or psi, I don't know, bar it should be 2.4 or something. If you deflate your tires, it looks like they go wider, but actually they go longer. Longer footprint means you have more grip. If you look at my tires now, the area that touches the sand is basically from here to here. After I deflated my tires from 35 psi to 18, that's what we normally use in the sand, it's basically this part touches the sand already to here. So you see that the surface that's touching the sand, it's way longer, and you see a little bit of a blob on the side, but that doesn't really matter. And that's how you get way more grip and you don't start digging in the sand. Do you know how to deflate your tires? No. What I'm using is this device. This you screw on the valve, then you pull out the valve, and then it deflates. It goes very, very quick. So you screw this completely on. Doesn't do anything yet. I press this. And I can see now your pressure is on the low side, it's 28.
Okay.
Normally the recommended pressure for these tires is around 35. And now I start deflating, but pulling this. So now I'm at 23. So I go a bit further. 18.
Wow, that is so efficient.
Then I screw the valve back in.
You never lose a little part?
The valve, you mean? Yeah. It didn't happen to me, but I saw it happening to others. I have valves with, you can buy small boxes with like the dust caps and the valves. They're not expensive and it's always handy to have with you. So if we look at the next tire, measuring and inflating device than deflating, but it works. But it doesn't go as fast as this because you put this, I don't know how this is called, but you put this on the valve instead of removing the valve. With the other device you remove the valve, so now I'm from 28 only to 24. It depends also on the pressure in the tire. So for example, my car requires at the back a higher pressure, so instead of 35 I'm running 45. Deflate that with this device, take forever. But that depends on the tire on the car. All regular cars like the Fortuner, the Pajero, the Patrol, they use about 35 psi standard. Even something like this works. You push this on the valve, you twist a bit and it deflates.